Tips for cooking with spices, seasonings. I love being a foodie. There are so many people who are afraid of seasonings. But you don't have to be. They are very powerful, so don't get zealous, just use a little. Remember to shake evenly across the dish and use no more than a teaspoon unless a recipe tells you to. Anyway, let's list some common seasonings: cumin, basil, thyme, oregano, crushed red pepper, onion powder, salt, garlic powder, salt, sage, salt, pepper, rosemary, seasoned salt. Seems like an oxymoron but is very helpful. Coriander, Chinese 5-spice powder. With these few spices, even the most incompetent bachelor can make it in the kitchen. As for everyone else, these spices are incredibly empowering because you can take even the worst, most meaningless meat, season it, and make it taste like Michelin quality cuisine. Seasonings are some of the most magical things in the kitchen next to sauces, your grandma, and jelly. To give everyone some guidance of how to do great things with seasonings, I'm going to start with meats and starches and make a few suggestions. Seasonings for chicken. Pepper is necessity because the protein is very receptive to it. 5 spices powder comes on strong, use sparingly. However, crushed peppers work well. Seasonings for beef. Cumin is good to use here for its strength alongside 5-spice powder and crushed red pepper. Seasonings for pork. What can't go in pork? Cumin and give spice power, crushed red peppers as well. Anything strong. Pork has a unique flavor, so accentuate with some salt, pepper, sage, and garlic. Seasonings for rice. Put whatever you wish in rice as it will take anything, but I particularly like a mix of cumin and red peppers for a spicy rice. Seasonings for potatoes. Salt and pepper are a staple, but otherwise should be left fairly well unadulterated. Don't worry. They will get some treatment in coming weeks when I discuss sauces and gravies. Hopefully this will be a great and quick early morning guide to seasoning and spices, and I hope find it helpful. And remember, enjoy and keep close the good things: food, friends, and conversation.